Here is a quick recipe for bruschetta bread. Take some garlic and cut them up into small pieces. Mash them or smush them down into a little bowl. Take some butter, I like to use low fat, and mix it around. Then add some salt and some pepper and a little bit of olive oil. Then spread it over some fresh bread. Take your cherry tomatoes, cut them into 2 pieces or maybe 4, that's up to you, and then spread it all over the bread. Cook it for around 200 Celsius and enjoy.